So welcome students, welcome once again to the web classes. Today what we are going to learn is present perfect tense. In the previous lecture we understood about the present continuous tense, right? So what we are going to learn today, present perfect tense. Let's move further. In the present perfect tense, first of all what we need to understand is when do we need to use present perfect tense. The first thing, we use the present perfect tense to talk about experiences, right? Whenever we are talking about a particular experience, whether it is personal experience or universal experience, we need to use what? We need to use present perfect tense. It is important if we have done it in our lives or not. It is not important when we did it, right? It is what is important, what is mainly important for this, we have done it in our lives or not. It is not important when we did it. When we did it, it is not important, but if we have did it or not, that is more important, right? So basically the time is not important. If you are not understanding this, you can understand it like the time is not really important to use this, right? For example, I have been abroad 2 times. That means I have experienced abroad for 2 times, and I has never broken a leg, and I has an experience of not breaking leg anytime. Have you ever eaten sushi? It is also about experience that someone is asking if I have ever eaten, if I have ever experience of eating sushi, right? Here is a tip for you to understand this. We often use never and ever with the present perfect tense to talk about experience, right? So what do we use as indicator of a present perfect tense? It is never and ever. Move further. Second thing, we use the present perfect tense to talk about an action which started in the past and continues up to now. Which means here it is, suppose it is a past, this is a present. We have started a particular experience here and it is continuing right now as well. Then we will use what? We will use present perfect tense. For example, I have been a teacher for more than 10 years. What does that mean? I have been a teacher. I have started teaching 10 years ago. I'm also teacher right now. I'm also teaching right now. Right? We haven't seen Janine since Friday. What does that mean? The last I have seen Janine was the last Friday. Right? After that, I haven't seen Janine. How long have you been at the school? It is also asking about the experience. How long, for how much duration you have been in the school. It is a tip we often use since and for to say how long the action has started. Since it gives us a particular time, whether it is a year or date, right? For it gives us a duration, right? The time duration, just like 2 hours, 3 hours, 2 year, 2 months, right? Moving further, we need to understand the, another thing as well. Third thing, we also use the present perfect tense to talk about a past action that has the result in the present. What does that mean? I have done something in the past and it is reflecting in the present as well. So what we will use present perfect tense. What does that see? For the example, I have lost my wallet. I don't have it now, right? That is also past. I have lost my wallet in the past. So what does that mean? I have lost my wallet. I don't have it now. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ कि मेरा जो वॉलेट था वो पास में खो गया और उसका रिफ्लेक्शन अभी क्या बन रहा है कि वो मेरे पास अभी नहीं है. Another example, जैसे Jimmy has gone to South America. He isn't here right now. है ना? इसका मतलब क्या है कि जिमी जो है वो साउथ अमेरिका चली गई है, वो पास्ट में था और इसका रिफ्लेक्शन क्या हुआ कि वो अभी यहाँ पर है ही नहीं. हैव यू फिनिश्ड योर होमवर्क? क्या तुमने अपना होमवर्क खत्म किया? इज योर होमवर्क रेडी? अब ये पास्ट की बात है, राइट? दिस इज अबाउट पास्ट. हैव यू फिनिश्ड योर होमवर्क इन द पास्ट एंड इज इट रेडी इन प्रेजेंट? क्या वो अभी अवेलेबल है या नहीं? यहाँ पर टिप क्या है आपके लिए? वी ऑफन यूज जस्ट, ऑलरेडी, येट with the present perfect tense for an action in the past with the result in the present. These are the words which are being used when we are doing such a when we are making such a situation, such a sentence for the situation. Moving further, see here is a sentence structure of positive sentence in the present perfect tense. I have, you have, He has, she has, it has, we have, and they have. What does that mean? I and you, we and they will use what? Will use have. So, what will we use? With I and you, have, with we and they, have, and with he, she, it will be has, right? So I hope you understood what is the construction of present perfect tense in the positive sentence. We will move further for the negative sentence, right? For negative sentence, what do we need to do is just add the negation of not, right, after the auxiliary verb have, right? You can see after have, has, it is put here not, right? So what do we need to do is just put not after the auxiliary verb and the and between main verb, right? Main verb and auxiliary verb you need to put not, right? So I hope you understood this thing, right?